There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Diva.
What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your favorite girl, A, and we back to slay on a budget today. What's up, everybody? I hope you're all having like a great day whenever you're watching this video. I love me a good wig, I love me an easy wig, and I love me a good affordable wig. So with that being said, one of my favorite budget-friendly companies that serves looks, that serves 100% human hair is the company by the name of UNice. Girl, y'all see I have done a lot of videos for UNice, and I love this for them because if I'm really locked in with you and I believe in your purpose, then girl, we're here for it. If you're on a budget, if you want a new unit, if you're a beginner, you can find them on Amazon, AliExpress, and their actual website. So this right here is a pre-everything unit, and girl, I don't even remember what it looked like, okay? Like when I say I don't know what it looked like, I don't remember. Like I seen the picture, but that was like a week and a half ago, and girl, I don't remember, okay? Like I can't be remembering everything for y'all. I just know that it's UNice and that it's pre-everything, and I'm pretty sure it's going to slay, okay? Like I just don't remember the rest. I did not take this wig out the box yet because I just need y'all to know that this wig is ready to go straight out the box if you like where your part is at and so forth. Now, some of us like myself may not like a middle part always, okay? And that's fine. All you gotta do is take your comb, your hot comb, and press her down onto the right or the left, wherever you want it to be. But I do know that if you like a good middle part, if you're in a rush, if you have an event or somewhere formal to go, girl, get you one of these wigs because straight out the box, they good. And the price is definitely hitting too. In the box, you will find an HD wig cap, and you'll also find an elastic melting bag. So that way, if you're putting on some gel, some glue, some adhesive, you can melt her, baby. Melt the lace, okay? Like I said, she's pre-everything. Pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-bleached, and pre-approved. Girl, I pre-approved it, okay? Because if I like it, then I liked it. Pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-approved by me. Okay, because if I don't really like you, I don't like you. But I actually love UNice. They nice. They just nice. I tell y'all this all the time that they nice. If you got the name of UNice, girl, then they nice. Who gonna have a bad wig and name themselves UNice? I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. Now she does come with some tape, so if you're ready to tape her down, baby, do it like it's your bidet and tape her all the way down. 7x5 unit. It is a yaki texture wig. I'm telling y'all, UNice really do have some nice wigs, girl, and they bobs be hitting. She has been pre-bleached. Look at that, pre-cut. Okay, she's got a nice thin hairline. Look at the highlights, very subtle highlights, which is great. So if you love a good bob, you ready for bob season, you ready to wear a short hairstyle, check out UNice. Come with an elastic removable band. So if you want to make her really, really tight, you could do so, girl. She has an adjustable strap in the nape. She also has one comb in the nape, and she also has, but damn, a drawstring. So girl, your wig ain't going nowhere. If you let somebody take this wig off, run off with this wig, I'm coming for you because this wig is secure. You better make sure you put all the security down. If you need a little bit tape, it's provided. Make sure your wig is on good, girl. Don't let your wig be slipping back. Don't you be slipping back. Keep your head on a swivel because there's a lot of people out there that's trying to snatch wigs these days. So hide your wig, hide your comb, hide your glue and hairspray because people are out here snatching wigs, okay? Just saying. I'm just saying. right, y'all, I am done. I definitely had to go ahead and put this in the side part. Girl, I be telling y'all all the time, I have a long head and certain lengths and middle parts don't look good on you, girl. However, I do like this bob. It's very movable, very natural looking. No baby hair is really needed, just a little swoopage right here. And I pulled down the sides because it is a 7x5. I definitely didn't want you all to see where the wig ends, so I just pulled out a little bit of hair. Very easy to hot comb, get you a pressing stick, a wax stick, and girl, you're good to go. But this hair is actually really good. It's really nice. The unit is a decent length. I love a good length like so. It's blended nice. It's highlighted nice. It's very natural. It's super duper affordable. Girl, even though it's 7x5, you can definitely still part her in that circumference and get enough partage. Let me show you. This is her in the back, and her drawstring is definitely drawstringing. She is definitely on good and well. She's giving grown woman, sophisticated work attire. This is definitely an easy wig. The highlights are actually really, really nice in this. The texture is great. It's very flowy. The length is very believable. This is like a very natural looking wig. So this is definitely giving grown, sophisticated vibes. You can definitely wear this wig straight out the box. Look at that. And you really don't need too much concealer on it, depending on your scalp color. Girl, just check them out. I will definitely leave everything in the description down below. Along with that, if you have stayed to the end of this video, leave me a blue heart so that I know y'all love me as much as I love you. Please stay safe, stay divalicious, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay out the way, and mind your business. And just know I love you all, and I will see y'all in the next one.